So creamy, yummy pasta with bechamel sauce, mushroom, and asparagus, and pork meat. Oh, it tastes really yummy. The pasta, the asparagus, the mushroom. Wow. Yeah, salty, creamy macaroni with asparagus, and mushroom. So yummy. And meat. So guys, that's our mushroom, shiitake mushroom. I'm cutting it into like this, and our meat is marinated with salt and pepper. This is pork and a little bit of soy sauce. So here we go guys, we're just cooking our meat. The marinated meat is there already. What we have here is the mushroom. It's already I already just follow what's the instruction how to use this mushroom. You do a boiling water, and then you soak the mushroom there for 30 minutes to 1 hour before using, and then I cut like that. And there we're adding the butter. Just like that. That's butter. Then we're adding a bit of garlic. It smells really good now, the garlic and the butter. Now we're adding the mushroom guys. That's the mushroom. Check now, the mushroom is very beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. We will just saute this one, and after that we will set aside guys. So in the other side guys, we're adding a half onion and fry a little bit, and then we will mix. I mix already. Then we will set aside this onion. We will set aside this. We will set aside this mushroom, and the mushroom is there, and the meat is here. We just reduce what's there. We just reduce that liquid, and oil is left, and then we will add our garlic, onion. So in here guys, we're adding the onion and garlic. Okay, more onion. I think that's okay, and then we will mix. So our meat is already cooked, very beautiful guys. Then we will set aside that one. Same with the, we will keep some for another recipe also. Yeah. So in here, in the same pan where we are frying our meat, we add a butter, and then onion, garlic. Yeah, garlic is already there, and the onion. We'll just fry it lightly. Idultaos. Yeah, and then now we will add our asparagus. Asparagus in French is asparagus. Yeah, asparagus. Stir fry like that, high heat, because this asparagus, it's easy to cook. It's very fast. Now it's cooked already. We will remove our asparagus. Very beautiful, the asparagus. We have asparagus there. The mushroom is here, and the meat is there. And in here is a bechamel sauce that's already ready-made sauce. Next time I will do a bechamel from the scratch, from the flour. But this one we are buying ready mix already, so we just add milk and water and do like that. Now we're adding this one in our pan. That's what's it look like, guys, and then we'll just mix until it will boil. So our sauce now looks creamy. Did you see? It's boiling a little bit. It's almost done. You check. Miss what? At this time, it's boiling, guys. We will low the heat so that it will not be burn our bechamel sauce. Let it reduce, guys, like 3 minutes while mixing. Oh, mixing this one. Now, guys, we're adding the mushroom. And what's that? Asparagus. And then mixing. Asparagus and mushroom is there already. Wow, it's look yummy. So creamy. And then we're adding our pasta. We're adding our pasta now. Adding the pasta and then mix that one only, honey. On top with the meat. Or we don't mix the meat.
No, not the meat.
You mix the meat when it's ready to eat. Oh, so creamy.
You can add cheese.
Only like that, I think that's fine because there is mushroom. If you don't eat meat, guys, don't add meat. Just like so, if you're not eating, guys, with meat, just add the pasta like that in our bechamel sauce and the mushroom and only that. But us, we have a meat here, the one I cooked a while ago. So we're adding that one.
Did you put this one?
Not yet. You put? You want? Okay.
Fine.
My husband wants to put some sesame seeds. Oh, wow. And the meat, you will include the meat there, honey? Now we're adding the meat, guys. And then we will mix. Saucy, creamy macaroni with asparagus and mushroom. So yummy. Oh, it tastes really yummy. Huh? The pasta, the asparagus, the mushroom. Wow. So creamy. Yummy pasta with bechamel sauce, mushroom, and asparagus. And pork meat.